And good luck both teams. Good luck both teams. It's Panthers against Mechanic Squad for our championship match. Open League category. By basketballista. First 5 on Panthers. First 5 on Mechanic Squad. And our official referee for today, Referee Mike, Referee Apatan, and Referee James. This is our championship match, Panthers against Mechanic Squad. First, 5 on the Panthers, Montes. Tuon. It's Catman. Strong. And number 55 on Arsenio. First 5.
Third quarter wala na. Per second lang. Per second.
First 5 on Mechanic Squad. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Let's go to rumble. It's Panthers against Mechanic Squad. It's Mechanic Squad ball. First position of Mechanic Squad. Bonding Urbano. Now Bartolome. Back to Urbano. Outside Reyes. Open jump. Bang! On Reyes. Now they have the 1-1 defense of Mechanic Squad. Catman drive. Steal again. Steal on Bartolome. Urbano. Walang shot coming from Urbano. Now 4-0. Catman looking for too strong. Arsenio. Too strong. Arsenio. Nice play. It's double dribble on Arsenio. What a game for Mechanic Squad. It's 4-0. Now Mans. Tali na to Reyes. Reyes fake. He's still by Strong. Now he's Strong. It's backing violation. Turnover again on the Panthers. Now Bartolome. Looking for Mans. Back to Bartolome. Urbano. Too strong. Rebound on Arsenio. Nice steal on Flores. Nice defense on Tuon. It's 4. Didn't shoot. 40. It's Mechanic Squad versus Panthers. We're live on the Facebook page. Bartolome by Mans. Looking for Urbano. Urbano again. Short. Top by Mans. Urbano to Bartolome. Back to Mans. Open jump. Mans. Too strong. Top. It's a Panthers ball. Panthers 8 minutes. It's 4-0. This is our championship game for our Open League category 1. Cadime Flores, Arsenio. Catman, 1-1 by Nance. Now, Tuon escape. Yes, on 2-4. Now, 2-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Bartolome to Mans. Back to Bartolome. And now, rebound on Catman. It's 3-2. Catman drive. Toe to coast by Catman. Now, Flores. It's Panthers ball. 7 minutes and 20 seconds.
I've never seen 28 before.
28.
We played with him.
Here.
Now, Tuon. 1-1 by Reyes. Tuon. 10 to shoot. Catman, strong. Rep. Now, para Casenyo now. 10 to shoot. Steal. Now, Bartolome. Reyes. All alone. Foul on Catman. First on Catman. First team foul on the Panthers. Yes, our first quarter. It's 6 minutes 54 seconds. Nice shot coming from Reyes. 5-2. Now 3-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Ball on Catman. Now Montes to Tuon, 1-1. Tuon, stop up. Now Catman drive, looking for Montes. Montes open jump, Montes drive, Montes get blocked by Flores. It's 14 to shoot. Timeout on Mechanic Squad. First timeout is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, Mechanic Squad, and the Panthers. And our official referee for today is Referee Mike, Referee Apatan, and Referee Manuel, and Referee James. Inbounding Catman. 14 to shoot. Tuon, guarded by Reyes. Catman to Montes. It's 8 to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Tuon. Arsenio. Still again on Mechanic Squad. Urbano drive. Urbano. Now 7-2. Mans. Black by Catman. Hey, Arsenio. Mans again. Yes, on hands. 9-2 in 7-point lead of Mechanic Squad. Steal. Sidestep Urbano foul. Foul on number 55 on Arsenio. Timeout on the Panthers. His first personal foul on Arsenio. Second team foul on the Panthers. Five minutes and 51 seconds. It's 9-2. 7-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Now 10-2. 9-point lead on the Calyx squad. Foul! Foul on Flores. First team foul on the Calyx squad. First on Flores. Inbound ni Montes. Looking for Tuon. 1-on-1 by Reyes. Tuon. Nice Tuon. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Tuon! Flores. Foul! Foul on the break. On Catman.
Second, Catman, third team foul.
Second personal foul on Catman. Third on Panthers.
Bukas ito.
Binuksan ko na. Sarap ulit.
12-5. Now 13-5, it's 8-point lead on the Calyx squad. Montes to Catman. He's still on match again. Urbano. Now 15-5, 10-point lead in the Calyx squad. Catman. Skate. Drive, strong, short. Catman again. Looking for strong. Same spot. Again, short. Rebound on Mans. To Flores. Drive, short. Yes, on Bartolome. 17-5. It's 12-point lead on the Calyx squad. Foul. Foul on Reyes. Second team foul on the Calyx squad. First on Reyes. Now 6-17. It's 11-point lead on the Calyx squad. Now 17-7. It's 10-point lead on the Calyx squad. 4 minutes. Our championship game for our Open League category. The Calyx squad versus Panthers. Urbano. Fake. Back to Lame. Mans. Back to Flores. Now, nice defense on Tuon. Looking for Montes. To Arsenio. Strong. Oh, nice back by Strong. Short. Tuon again. Bang! The big guy Tuon. 17-9. It's 8-point lead on the Calyx squad. Too short. Libang by Catman. Tuon. To Catman. Arsenio. High steal. Now Tuon. Strong all alone. Go strong. Bang! Now 11-17. Now 6-point lead on the Calyx squad.
Defense.
3 minutes.
Watch behind. Yeah, there we go.
Nice defense on Montes.
No, he didn't touch it. Nobody touched it. Oh, he touched it.
16 to shoot.
Deep.
Mans.
Short.
Foul. Foul on number 8 on Catman.
I can't foul him. I can't sub him.
Catman third,
First,
fourth
second.
team foul.
Only third.
Huh?
Only third. We can sub third.
Third.
First.
It's 3, huh?
Third on Catman. Warning for penalty on the Panthers.
There we go.
Rebound on Flores. Reyes to Bartolome. Urbano. In and out by Urbano. Rebound on Montes. Now Montes, 1-1. Montes drive. Montes. Too strong. Now Catman. Now 13 plates. It's 5-point lead on Miguel Squad.
Weak side.
Bartolome. Bang! On Bartolome. 2 minutes. 21-13. Montes, guarded by Bartolome. Foul. Foul on number 19 on Bartolome. First on Bartolome. Third on Mechanic Squad. Inbounding Catman. 1 minute and 54 seconds. 12. 10 to shoot.
James.
Still again by Flores. Now Bartolome, 1-1 by Montes, looking for Reyes. Reyes stop, Reyes block. Reyes again. Reyes. Foul.
You hit him in the face, ref. Come on. We gotta call fouls.
Technical foul tayo, Reyes. Personal light foul on five. Gadi number 6.
Technical foul on Reyes. And sportsmanlike foul on number 5, Montes.
Technical first.
We have technical foul on Reyes. And sportsmanlike foul on Montes.
Dito pa rin tayo. Technical muna. Unahin muna ang technical. Lahat.
We have technical for throwing elbow of Reyes. And unsportsmanlike foul on Montes for grabbing his shirts.
Meach, shoot it. Meach, shoot it.
Hindi can shoot. The player inside only. Player inside only.
Let me shoot it.
Lalabas yung number 5 ng 3 minutes kasi ano po daw.
Oh, ba't yung Pedro?
It's 1 minute lang tayo, sir. Wala tayo niya, sir. Yan lang.
Wala lang.
14 to 21, technical foul. Unsportsmanlike foul on Montes.
10.
Like the one in first, or
He's still free throw and ball position for unsportsmanlike foul. Unsportsmanlike foul. We have to two free throw for unsportsmanlike foul.
They want all technical foul only. They
I
all
don't understand. Wait,
You understand how rin. Yeah.
Wait, it doesn't make sense. No. I gotta look up the rules. That's not right, huh?
First,
No, he should, because it's a shooting foul, so it was a technical foul. Okay.
1 minute 31 seconds.
That's just one shot in ball possession. That's all it should be. He shouldn't have had 2 shots in ball possession. That's not how it works.
10 to shoot.
1 shot in ball possession. That's it.
Time. Bang! On Urbano. 1 minute and 10. Arsenio. Black. Nice steal by Tuon. Now Catman. Looking for Arsenio. It's Mans. Now 45 seconds. Yes, on Bartolome. 40 seconds.
Ayan na naman.
He's giving you the ball.
Ayan.
What is wrong? What is the problem?
He gave you the ball. What is the problem?
Coming from a shot. Coming from a shot.
Mike, you gotta reschedule this game and give us some good reps.
Coach.
Demon, sit down. Don't go inside. Sir Demon.
Black ball.
That's me. That's wrong.
$38 seconds. 38.
Natawa rin sa Ayman.
Montes. Nice move by Montes. Sportsman like ball. On Montes.
That's a foul. No, that's a foul. That's a good call. That's a good call.
A sportsman like ball on Montes. Montes out of the game on Montes. $26 seconds. 26. Now 27-14, 27-14, 26 seconds. 26 seconds yun naman. Now 28-14.
Now they should still have the ball down there, right? Because the foul happened over there, so I don't know why the ball's all the way down here. But you called it down there.
Relax the referee. $20 seconds. 3 seconds violation on for 17 seconds. 17. Nice steal. Nice pass, man. 8 seconds. And per first quarter score, it's 30 against 14. Second quarter. It's Panthers ball, Panthers. Ball get up. Panthers ball, it's Panthers.
Parang 1 million yung price.
Too strong. Rebound on Fernandez. Now Cudilla. Espiritu. In and out. Sir Demon rebound. Now Teruel. Started by Espiritu. Alba. Big drive, Alba, foul. Foul on number 8 on Cañedo. First on Cañedo.
Team foul.
First team foul on Mechanic Squad.
36.
It's 30 against 14. 16-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Now 15 to 30, it's 15-point lead on Mechanic Squad. It's our second quarter championship match. Now Cañedo. Espirito. Ayman. Short. It's Alba. Ayman again. Ayman. Alba. Now Alba drive. Looking for Alba. Alba. Now Alba. Looking for Nate. Nate. Teruel.
McLester.
Top. It's Mechanics ball. Mechanics squad. 8 minutes and 48 seconds. 15 against 30. All by Mechanics squad. Now Cordelia. Ayman. Air ball. Top by CJ. 14 to shoot. 10. Short. It's technical foul on Shans.
What's the set for? He said rim up to the shot.
He said was ref. Hey, D. No, he's horrible, bro. All he
He's
said was
skirting, he's
ref.
skirting.
He's allowed to speak. All he said was
The shot
ref.
was gone, ref.
The shot was already up.
He's shouting, he's shouting. Don't shout, Shans, don't shout. Let the ball in, let the
That's
ball.
horrible.
The shot was gone. Stop leaving, you ready?
He don't belong in this game.
We don't get the shot and the ball.
Literally said, no.
Cordelia. Hey. Bang! On Cordelia. Now 33-15. Now Nate.
McHugh.
Teruel. It's time to shoot. Shans. Steal by Ayman. Ayman to Cordelia. Nice defense on the Panthers in 7 minutes and 55 seconds. All by Mechanic squad. Now Nate. He's still again on Mechanic squad. Fernandez. Fernandez to Cañedo. Cañedo fake. Cañedo blocked by Teruel. It's Demon. 1-on-1. Alba. Short foul. Foul on number 13 on CJ. Timeout on Mechanic squad. It's first on Spirito. Second team foul on Mechanic squad. 'Today's your birthday night, right?
Yes.
Today's your birthday?
Nah.
What's your birthday?
My birthday was in July. Why, you got me a birthday cake?
7 minutes and 32 seconds. Short.
Alba.
Now, Cordelia. Padilla. Too strong. Rebound on CJ. CJ in and out top. It's a ball. Mechanical ball. Mechanical squad. Cañero. Foul. Foul on 0-0 on Sians. Second personal foul on Sians. Second on Panthers. It's 7 minutes. Now 34 against 15. Now Nate. He's still again on Cudilla. Short. Rebound on Cañero. Chance. Cudilla. Ivan.
Hold the whole man or.
It's technical foul on Devon.
Sir Demon, just take it easy.
One technical foul against Devon. 35-15. Now Alba.
Wala.
Alba drive. Alba coast to coast. Short. Top. Fernandez. Now Cudilla. Cudilla. Fernandez. In and out. It's Panthers ball. It's Panthers. 6 minutes. Twenty point lead on Mechanic squad.
Hey, Tran, come on.
Turnover again on the Panthers. Cudilla. Ahmad, short, Fernandez there. Rebound on Chance. Short on Ahmad. It's Panthers ball, Panthers. Foul. Foul on 0-0 on shots. Third on shots. Third personal 13 foul on against Panthers.
Stop fouling.
Early.
Over the back. Come on.
It's Panthers ball, Panthers.
Hey, my team is playing too.
Nothing. We get no calls, right?
That's crazy.
No calls.
Over the back.
Time out on Panthers.
Y'all needed money.
Panther second.
After the game.
Good job.
Nate. Alba. Teruel.
Shooter.
Short. It's Cañero.
Get in front.
Espiritu.
Good D's.
Same ball. It's 14 to shoot. 4 minutes and 26 seconds. Codilla. Rebound on Fernandez. 14 to set clock.
Yeah!
Codilla. Basket count and one on Codilla. Foul on number 23 on Teruel.
Just choke on it.
Warning for penalty on the Panthers.
Oh, man, too.
First on Teruel.
Look out.
Rebound on Demon. Alba. Same ball. 3 minutes and 46. Fourteen to shoot. Demon. 1-on-1 by Cañero. Demon again. Foul. Foul on number 23 on Fernandez. Third on Mechanic Squad. First personal foul on Fernandez. Chance. Nate. Open jump by Nate. Again, too strong. Tap by CJ. Now, Codilla.
Yeah,
Teruel.
good defense.
1-1. Fake. High. Steal by Espiritu. Now, Codilla. Guarded by Alba. Ayman. Yes, on Ayman. It's 39 against 15.
Same ball.
It's a ball. 14 assists, 14 to shoot, 14.
Ginamit ko na. Ginamit ko na.
Wala na po sa third.
Foul. Warning for penalty on Mechanic Squad. Chance. Tap by Cañero.
Oh, it's when you reach over someone's back.
Cañero.
Oh!
Nice defense on Chance. Cañero, short. Cañero again. Codilla. Fernandez, 10 to shoot.
Good defense.
Turnover again on the Panthers. It's 1 minute and 53 seconds.
Get it!
14 is sa clock. Ayman. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Ayman.
Alba.
Yes, on Alba. 1 minute and 10.
Yeah, baby, Alba, baby.
1 minute and 10 seconds. 14 to shoot. In and out. Cañero. Block by Demo. Foul.
Get a penalty, shoot, shot. That's penalty.
Foul on number 25. 45 on Ayman. Penalty. It's 58 seconds. 18:42. 55 seconds.
Let's go, defense.
14 to shoot. 45 seconds. 10. Air ball. Shots. Rebound. 35 seconds.
Bang!
Too strong by Nate. Now Cordelia.
Step up. Got 2.
25 seconds. 14 to shoot. CJ.
Back to shooter.
Block again by Demon.
Oh my God!
14 to shoot.
Pressure. That's you, Dan.
10. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Speedo. And now for second quarter our score, it's 45 Mechanic Squad and 18 against the Panthers.
Boss Mike, panging ako.
Yeah, let's go, Sport Day.
18-4 na tayo.
45. 3 points na lang, para kalahati.
Linda, ikaw tagabigay nito, Linda. Linda, ikaw tagabigay nito. Hoy.
And ipasa mo rin yung picture para pa.
Tuan, real award. No, after.
Just take it easy, sir. 2 minutes.
Ano, isa pa?
And we will have our awarding for our Mythical 5 and season MVP. First, we will call on the man in the middle. Our best centers for a league from the Panthers. It's number 30, Tuan.
Yeah, man! Woo! Woo! It's your baby! Kasi nawala ko naman.
And our small forward from the Panthers, jersey number 5, it's Montes.
Doon ako kay Urban.
And our shooting guard from Mechanic Squad, wearing jersey number 28, Urbano. And our fourth guard, we'll call him the from Mechanic Squad, we'll call him Cordelia.
Mali yan, mali na po. Shooting ka niya lagi.
Ikaw mas bigay.
Mali yan, na-shooting ka, palitan natin.
And last but not the least, it's our power forward coming from the Panthers. It's Scottman. And we'll call on all the 5 players. All 5 players in the middle, limiting 5.
Tuan, come inside.
All players, all mythical 5 players. And we'll call on the season MVP. Congratulations to all the mythical five. It's Catman, Tuon, Urbano, Montes, and Cudelia. And we will call on the season MVP from Mechanic Squad is our season MVP Cudelia. Congratulations for our season MVP. Another run from our Mechanic Squad is Randall Cudelia. Third quarter. It's all Mechanic Squad from the third. It's 45-18. And we'd like to thank our sponsors, Color Sports, Mechanic Squad, Panthers, and Basketballista. Panthers ball, it's Panthers.
You can stop anytime, ha? Sir Jamon.
This is our final game, final match. It's Panthers and Mechanic Squad for our...
Skip that.
Now, Cutman. Jobs, now in the ball game. Too strong by Jobs. Rebound by Reyes. Now Reyes. Looking for Reyes again. Reyes. Urbano. Hermosillo. Time to shoot. Bartolome. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Bartolome. 48-18 now. 30-point lead. Bang! Too long two. Coming from Tirowell. It's 48-20. 28-point lead on the Panthers. Kickball on Mechanic Squad.
Yun, 3 points.
It's 9 minutes. Inbounding Jobs to Catman. Catman guarded by the assassin. Now Tuon. Jobs again. Same spot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Jobs. Now 48-23. It's 25-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Urbano. Now Hermosillo. Working the second. Reyes. Whoa! What a pass coming from Urbano to Reyes. 58-23. It's 27-point lead. Against Mechanic Squad is Alba. Open jump. Alba too strong. Urbano. Now Urbano. To Reyes. Steal on Catman. It's 3-2. 3-1. Alba. Now 25-50. It's 25-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Bartolome again. No one move coming from Bartolome. 52-25. It's 27-point lead against Mechanic Squad. Tirowell, kick out. It's Mechanic Squad ball. Mechanic Squad. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Reyes, 1-1 by Tuon. Reyes guarded by Tuon. Now the Assassin's Gate. Kick out pass. Urbano short. Rebound on Venus. Now Urbano. Yes, on Hermosillo. Now 54 against 25. Now Japs. Short by Japs. 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Now Alba. Kagin tayo Urbano. Foul. Foul on number 28 on Urbano. First against Urbano. First team foul on Mechanic Squad. Now Teruel. Gone. 40 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 17 on Reyes. Second personal foul on Reyes. Second on Mechanic Squad. It's 6 minutes and 13 seconds. $54 against the 25. Short.
It hit the rim. It hit the rim.
Now 26 to 54. Still by Ton. Alba. Yes! Oh, Alba. Urbano. Whoa, what a great move coming from Urbano. It's 56 to 28. Ball. Now jumps. Short. Teruel. Yes, and Teruel. It's 56 to 30. It's 5 minutes. Hermosillo to Bartolome. Bartolome. Now the assassin escape. The assassin goes to goal. 58 to 30. It's 28-point lead on Mechanic Squad. Alba. Out too strong against Alba. Urbano. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Benos. Now Ton to Alba. Back to Ton. Too strong by Ton. Bang! Basket down and one by Ton. Kapit to Sundap. Palo ng palo. Kapit to Sundap. Stop. Out. Time out. On the Panthers is time out. This is brought to you by Color Sports. Basketballista. And Rock Bank. UA. Four minutes and 26 seconds. Bonus free throw against Ton. Now 33 to 28. It's 25-point lead on Mechanic Squad.
Behind you, Swan.
Now the assassin. Got by Alba. Looking for Urbano. Urbano. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Urbano. Now Strong. Foul. Foul on number 19 on Bartolome. 13 foul on Mechanic Squad, second on Bartolome.
Hey, that's disrespectful. You disrespectful.
Bartolome, ha?
Hindi naman sinasadya eh.
Now 12.
Watch your back.
Bro, what the fuck are you doing?
Man, he could check his balls.
Alba.
Basketball. Just because you can shoot a three.
Now Bartolome, Urbano.
Went through his legs, really.
One by Japs. Flores. Assassin. Short. It's Panthers ball. 3 minutes and 25 seconds.
Bibilang ka na, mas marami dito kaysa doon. Ate,
Now 12. Pass to Strong. Foul. Foul on here. Venos. Warning for penalty. Mechanic Squad. Now Jobs. Jobs goes to goal. Short again by Jobs. Stop.
Jack naman makashoot lang eh.
Now Urbano. 3 on 1. To Assassin. Coming from Urbano.
Boy, take out.
It's 63-33.
Boss, boy, take out, boss.
Now Strong. Foul.
Chance.
Don't lose it. Don't lose it. Chance.
Hey! Hey! One more time. Hey! One more time.
Technical foul on shots. We're entering the court.
Kala mo, di ka kukuyo.
Technical free throw from Mechanic Squad. Substitution up. Wait. Substitution up. Substitution.
Like, si Bartolome kasi.
Sub rep sub.
Ito naman yung piso dapat yung bilangan sa dito.
Ba't ilan ba? Hindi mo ba?
20.
20 pala, hindi mag-iwan ka ng...
Kasi may malaki yung size. May work
Iwan ka para sa atin.
Kaya ako naman dito ibilangan.
Ito na yun ang komisyon.
Venos.
Sarili ng bola, ayan o.
Oh, Jab, sa'yo na yan.
Now Mechanic Squad on penalty. Ano mo lahat dito?
XL naman yung lahat. Ilang large.
Basket substitution up. Basket sub.
Wala pang court.
Sub rep sub. 2 minutes.
May bawas na.
Pura siya ko yung pressure. Nagbabalot yung dun.
Double XL.
14 to shoot.
Okay, okay. Milo.
The large. Iwan ko yung large.
10. Flores. Yes, on Flores. 66 to 34. 1 minute and 30. Jobs. Short. It's Mechanic Squad ball. 1 minute and 20.
Sila yung naka-uniform na yun.
Yun din mga na.
1 minute. Now jumps. Kickball. It's last touch against Panthers. 50 seconds.
Nice pass.
Espiritu.
Shooter na walang shooting.
In and out. 3 ball by Con. Alba. 1 and 1 by Espiritu. Alba! Bang! One a shot coming from Alba. Foul on Espiritu.
Espiritu.
25 seconds.
Second person.
Second on CJ. Top. Now jumps.
Wow, ref!
15 seconds. Nice move by CJ. Foul on Strong. First and Strong. 68 to 36.
Ilan na?
13.
13? Sobrang mo.
13 na sila.
Bakit 13?
Sidugong pa pala ugat sa akin.
Huwag mo na ako nang bigay. Yung third sub lang.
Last time, di ako pinayagan. Nakalaro naman.
And for third quarter, our score is 69 against 36. All by Mechanic Squad. Fourth quarter ready. Fourth quarter.
Middle. Ilan sila? Middle.
11 doon, dito nga.
Middle. 11 lang. Kuha lang middle. 11.
11?
Last quarter. Last quarter.
Middle. Hindi. Middle.
Ay, wala ko pinapin.
Kuha ka lang apat. 59. Magkuha ka ng apat.
Na medal.
Mechanic Squad ball. Mechanic Squad.
Puro malalaki yan.
XL.
Walang leg.
Nag-large ang mga naiwan.
Dual pa naka-uniform.
Now Kudilia.
Hey! Technical!
It's technical foul on the Panthers for delay the game. Basket count on Mechanic Squad.
You called it after the called it blow the whistle. The basket can't count. You blow the whistle before. That stops the play. You know what your whistle does, right? It stops the game.
It's so hard to...
Doon kabila. Imad, center.
Now Cutman to shots.
That's good.
Devon jumps.
Learn to argue for goals.
Yes, all jumps. 38 to 71. Foul on shots. 0-0. Word on chance, warning on chance.
Basta walang madidisgrasya.
Yan, basta manual, okay yan. Hindi yan, mas may inautak niyan.
Now Cudilla. Fernandez. Short. Chance rebound. Now Demon. Good job. Steal. On Fernandez. It's 3-2. Cañero. Looking for Cudilla. Cudilla. Chance. Yes. On Mans. 73. Against to 38. Technical foul on number 22 on Demon. Demon out of the game on Demon.
Electric tayo.
Apat na lang sila?
11 sila. Dalawa.
Basket time mo ka.
Reserve time. Time out.
Catman to Strong. Strong jumps. Now Cañero. Nice pass. Mans is 75 against 38.
Take it all away, baby.
Nice shot coming from Strong. Time out. On Mechanic Squad, it's 75 to 40. 35-point lead on Mechanic Squad.
Hey, so, right quick. Mike. So!
We just found out her secret power.
Kicked it out the first quarter.
Ayman. Short by Ayman. Now jumps. Foul. Foul on Fernandez. First team foul on Mechanic Squad. First on Fernandez.
Second.
Now Tuon. Now Fernandez all the way. Mans. Yes, on Mans. It's 77. Now Tuon.
Use your arms, Los.
Jumps. Long three, short. Now Mans again. Fernandez to Mans. Short. Rebound on shots. Yes, on Fernandez. Now Catman. Jumps. Lock by Ayman. It's 4 minutes, 14 to shoot.
Run the clock, run the clock, run the clock.
4 minutes na lang.
Stop the clock.
James, 4 minutes na lang.
Run the clock. Down 40 points. Come on, Mike. Stop.
Stop, listen up, stop. Good free throw shot coming from Tuon. Three minutes and 50 seconds.
Mike, run the clock, Mike. Run the clock.
Basket substitution up, basket south. Three minutes and 40. Nice move by Fernandez. Stop. Cutman. He's thrown. Alba. Teruel. Oh, what a move by Teruel. Time out. Oh, Mechanic squad. It's 42-79. All by Mechanic squad.
Wala na silang timeout.
On the clock. There should be no more timeout.
Last 3 minutes and 19.
Monitor?
On the clock.
Three minutes. Yes, on 81 against the 42. Two minutes and 50.
Shoot that, Kim.
Hermosillo. Bartolome.
Don't foul.
Flores. Hermosillo. Back to Bartolome. 14 to shoot.
No fouls.
Ayman. Short against Ayman. Rebound by Strong. 2 minutes and 20. Alba. Now the assassin. Bartolome. 2 minutes and 10. Strong. Tall. Rebound. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, and Mechanic Squad. Working to shoot. Ayman. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Ayman.
Iwa.
1 minute and 10. Ayman! 887 against 42. Strong. Nice move by Strong. 44 to 87. 45 seconds. 40.
I would have told you to do that in the first quarter,
25 seconds. And we have our champion for our Open League category, Round Mechanic Squad.